In the Full-Time Moms at ang ating usapan ngayon ay nutrition at isa sa mga eating practices for a healthier lifestyle ay ang pagkain ng gulay. Para i-share ang kanyang special vegetarian dish, kasama ko ngayon ang ating guest. Let's welcome Dr. Blesenda Varona. Hello, Doc.
Hello, Christine.
Welcome to Full-Time Moms. At meron din tayong kasama sa pagluluto at syempre sa pagtikim. Ang isa sa mga poster girls ng People for Ethical Treatment of Animals or PETA at isa ring vegetarian. Let's welcome Miss Alicia Meyer. Hello, Miss Alicia. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Okay, Doc Blessy, or what do we have to do?
Yeah, we have vegetarian meat substitute. This is a meat substitute, pero it's made up of talagang from wheat and from soy product. Kasi ang problem natin ngayon is really many people who would like to go really on a plant-based diet. Kasi lang napu-frustrate sila. Kaya di ba sabi niya para namang walang energy. Kasi, ay, nawala. Pero later on, you will really be surprised na talagang it can reverse diseases. No? Based on our patients, talagang marireverse yung sakit because you have removed all the high cholesterol, high-fat diet. And,
so let's start preparing and then we can go with the questions habang
and aside from that, dapat masarap yung flavor ng food. Diba?
By the way, what we will be doing right now is talagang medyo strict na diet because we will be sauteing it in water. So we would like to show this.
Even oil.
Later on, we can just flavor little oil because we don't want really to heat the oil. Kasi when you try to heat the oil, it can turn into trans fat. So let's try sauteing it with water, garlic and onions.
Onions.
So the garlic and onions can really make the flavor.
What is gluten? Ano ba yung tinatawag na gluten?
When you remove the starch from the wheat, ang natitira gluten.
So this is wheat.
Yeah, this is wheat.
Okay.
The protein part from the wheat. So we can now
that's
put
different
all
from
this.
That's not tokwa.
The tokwa is from the soy.
Soy. So this is wheat based.
Para siya, giniling siya at saka parang yung hinatak-hatak ng machine to make really yung parang texture ng meat.
Alicia, naglu-gluten ka rin?
Yes, I used to.
Used to?
Yeah, I used to, pero now hindi na eh.
How long does gluten last? How long
it can even last for 1 year. So provided it must really be hard frozen. Kasi yung pagka wala tong preservative eh. All our products contain no preservative, no additives as much as possible. Kaya kung itatago mo siya matagal, it can stay like one year.
How long have you been a vegetarian, Miss Alicia?
Me, 4 years.
4 years?
Yeah, 4 years. Yeah.
What made you go vegetarian?
Sa akin kasi it's more of mental eh. Kasi ang dami ko nakita sa internet. So, naging effective siya kasi mental.
Yes.
Yeah.
Pero ngayon, kumakain ka na daw ng isda?
Yeah, I eat fish after giving birth.
Bakit? Why did you do that?
I don't know. I just felt like parang medyo kailangan ko ng much energy. Parang ganun.
Pero nung vegetarian ka ba, were you a strict vegetarian as a vegan?
I was vegan talaga for 2 years before I got pregnant. Ayun, so talagang walang milk, walang butter, very strict talaga.
Nung ako yung pregnant, kasi we have 2 sons, talagang vegetarian ako. And amazing, alam mo yung mga anak ko ang tataas, matatalino. Ibig sabihin possible. Kaya sabi ko nga kay Alicia kanina, nung nag-uusap kami kanina, ang nagkulang lang sa kanya yung support. Walang nagsuporte sa kanya kasi akala niya naging doubtful siya sa ginagawa niya.
Because when I was pregnant, siguro on the 4th month.
Yun na yun?
Tapos na yan. Because you don't need to cook this long. Luto na to. Unlike meat na matagal mong lulutuin. Now to add flavor, we can add little of the sesame oil. That's it.
Para konting flavor lang.
Sabi mo on the 4th month?
On the 4th month kasi, bali, for 4 months nung buntis ako, vegan talaga ako. Then on the 4th month, parang yung partner ko sabi sa akin, baka kung ano mangyari dyan sa baby natin, maging lumpo, parang gano'n. So ako, I also have to syempre consider kung ano yung nasa isip niya and worries niya. So what I did, I ate anything I can para sa baby. Yung anything for the baby.
Okay.
Ayun. And then after that, I turned sa fish naman.
Okay, so basically dito we sauteed this sa tubig, garlic, onions, tapos
the veggie meat,
we have the veggie meat,
sesame seed.
Ano yung mga ito? Konting asin?
Hindi natin nilagyan ng asin.
Okay. Tapos ito?
This is the cream of mushroom powder.
For flavor lang naman itong salt, di ba?
Mushroom powder and then
the cornstarch if you want little thickening.
Ayun.
Okay. Okay, try na natin. Gusto ko i-try yung ano. Kasi kadalasan, there are other health stores na minsan may mabibili ka mga pagkain na gluten-free.
Because some people are really
Allergic
sensitive to
to
Pero
gluten.
the good news is maraming hindi naman allergic. Kasi kung lahat tayo allergic sa gluten, then hindi na pwede yung bread, hindi na pwede yung lahat ng...
because all of those have gluten. It's a thickening effect. And of
Ang bilis
course,
ng luto
pagdating
nito,
sa
no?
vegetarian, mas healthy, better for the body.
Mas healthy, and it can actually reverse diseases. No, it can lower down your cholesterol. It can... Sabi ko nga sa diabetic, the diet for diabetes is so simple. It's just more greens and more beans, and then this can be the source of beans.
Lasang tokwa.
Yeah.
I can taste the tokwa.
Lasang meat.
Wala. Punta ka na siguro, hindi ko makain ng meat. Sinasabi mo, lasang meat.
And that's another thing. Alam mo kung ano, pagka nag-turn into plant-based diet ka, so sensitive yung taste buds, di ba?
Yeah.
Yung minsan kahit amoy lang, alam mo na parang
Alam mo na alam mo na merong meat product. Totoo yun. Yeah.
Ang pita slogan mo noon ay let vegetarianism grow on you.
Yeah.
So marami ka bang nag-convince para maging vegetarian?
Some of my friends and yung ibang mga artista na alam ko tinry nila talaga, hindi ko lang sure kung naging successful.
If they're able to
pero
sustain.
some of my friends did talaga.
Okay.
We have here, kukuha ko lang sa oven.
Okay.
Ininit kasi, pero ito, this is vegetarian bopis.
Okay.
Okay, so puso
Still with
saging,
gluten.
With gluten and with with tofu.
Okay.
And then this is our vegetarian meat braise.
Still gluten.
Now this is only wheat. Okay,
Wheat.
this is only gluten and may konting soybeans.
Ano yung mga alternatives? Pag gluten, pag ayaw ko ng gluten, ano pa yung
You
mga
can have
iba?
vegetarian sausage, you can have
Anong laman ng vegetarian sausage?
merong siyang ibang, may bell pepper, may ibang laman.
So, basta
merong-
gulay.
Puros gulay. Pero,
basta
di ba sabi nila pag vegetarian, green lahat. Pero paki-focus yung mga food natin. Walang green dito.
Walang green.
But we want to clarify this one. This is just our substitute for meat.
Yeah.
Hindi pa rin natin papalitan. Ako, when we do modifications,
Alright.
there is malunggay, talbos ng kamote,
course.
saluyot.
Yeah.
And hindi natin papalitan yung benefit na makukuha natin sa papaya, sa mangga, sa alog, and all these kinds of fruits. Ito, substitute lang natin specially for the meat. Kasi yung meat ang nagkakaiba dun.
Yes. Ano naman ang alternative and for natural sources of vitamins?
Okay, for natural sources of vitamins, definitely from plant
Vegetables,
foods. Vegetables.
yeah. Raw?
Okay. Yeah, you can eat it raw. No, when I teach, I eat it in all kinds of,
Okay.
preparation. Kasi iba yung benefit na makukuha mo sa raw, iba din
Kinain
yung
mo na
benefit
lahat,
na
Dito ko na kayo.
makukuha mo sa luto. Kasi may phytochemicals, we call it phytochemicals, na nai-enhance when you cook the food.
Oh, okay.
So, ibig sabihin, hindi ako yung puro super raw kasi nawawala yung benefit pag niluto mo. And then, the principle nawawala kasi the principle actually is eat a wide variety of plant food.
What's your food like these days? Gaano kaiba?
Ako kasi talagang strict kung vegetables, hindi ako gaano nagaganto. Compared like 2 years ago, I did this.
Yes.
Pero ngayon, more on vegetables and I have fish and soup. So, most of the time, laging soup-based yung food ko. Since I have a child at home, mas favorable yung ganong food para makapag-share kami.
Alright. Well, thank you so much, Doc Blessy. And Alicia, nice to
Yes,
have you
thank you.
back. Thank you so much for sharing your love for vegetarian, of course, for a healthier way of eating. At sa mga mommies, nako, sa pagbabalik ng Full Time Mom, susubukan ng iyong swerte sa ating 15:30 at makakausap naman natin ang isang artistang patuloy ang lumalaban sa diabetes and hypertension. So lahat yan sa pagbabalik ng Full Time Mom. So go away.
Thank you.
Which is good. I think